Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Mercedes GLE 350. And on this GLE we're going to go over how you would and where you would check your antifreeze. So this is the antifreeze reservoir or the engine coolant, and here is the filler cap. Now we're going to have sight marks on the side here telling us the minimum and maximum of where it should be, and we just want to make sure we have coolant in here. If you can't see it because this has gone cloudy, a lot of times you can put a light to it and it will illuminate so you can see better. If you need to add coolant, you just remove this cap here. You also make sure you do this when the engine is cool, because this has got heavy hot fluid and steam that can spray out at you. And put in your coolant until it gets to the appropriate level, and then just make sure you put the cap back on good and tight. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.